Hello friends, welcome to my another video. In this kitchen and home review, we tested Amazon kitchen gadgets, so you don't have to. We always like to add innovation to our videos. So if you like the video, be sure to subscribe to the channel and comment, and share. These smart gadgets make cooking simple, fast, and stress-free for everyone. Perfect for beginners, busy parents, and home chefs who love practical solutions. From chopping to storing, these tools make every step easier. Trending now on Amazon, TikTok, and Temu, and they actually work. Each product is affordable, durable, and designed for everyday cooking needs. Say goodbye to complicated gadgets and hello to effortless. So let's start the video. Astercook Knife Set. Multipurpose Knife Set. This kitchen knife set includes 8 chef knife, 8 slicing knife, 7 Santoka knife, 8 serrated bread knife, 5 utility knife, 3.5 paring knife, kitchen shears, and 6 PCS blade guards. Anti-rust coating. The healthy anti-rust coating protects the knife from oxidation and dishwasher safe, while the non-stick coating ensures the blades stay clean all day long. Easy to carry. Each knife comes with a blade guard for safe, compact storage in your kitchen cupboard. These knives are also easy to carry when camping or storing in your RV. Perfect holiday gift. Ideal for kitchen enthusiasts or new cooks, this knife set meets all cooking needs. It makes an excellent holiday gift for family, friends, lover, and colleague. Lifetime warranty. Every knife set is backed by rigorous quality inspection. We provide a lifetime warranty for every customer, ensuring superior customer service and peace of mind with every purchase. Astercook Pots and Pans Set. High-performance non-stick coating equipped with a premium non-stick coating. Our pots and pans offer exceptional durability and performance. Easy to clean and free from harmful chemicals like PFOA, it ensures a healthier cooking experience. Secure removable handle cookware set features a cutting-edge removable handle with a secure locking mechanism. This ensures a stable and reliable grip during cooking, so you can cook with confidence every time. Convenient storage and cleaning. The detachable handle design saves valuable storage space and simplifies cleanup. Easily remove the handle for a quick and thorough wash, keeping your cookware and kitchen spotless. Versatile compatibility. Pots and pan sets are suitable for a wide range of heat sources, including induction, gas, and ceramic hobs. Ensure that the cookware sets are uniformly heated in a stable and efficient manner under all cooking conditions. Bella 2-Slice Slim Toaster. Slim design, big impact. With a sleek 3.58 profile, the Bella 2-Slice Slim Toaster fits comfortably on any countertop without taking up much space. Part of our Fits Anywhere kitchenware collection, it's the perfect blend of style and practicality. One long slot for versatile toasting. The extra-wide, 10-inch long slot accommodates 2 slices of bread side by side or thick artisan breads like bagels, baguettes, and Texas-style toasts. No more squeezing or cutting, just perfect toast every time. Toasted perfection. 6 shade settings with a convenient cancel function allow you to customize your bread to your exact preference, from lightly golden to dark and crispy. Achieve your ideal toast with just a simple turn of the dial. Easy cleanup. Clutter-free countertop. The removable crumb tray slides out for quick cleaning, ensuring your smart toaster stays tidy and operates efficiently. Elite Gourmet Cast Iron Burner. Easy to clean. 6.5-inch and 5-inch cast iron flat cooking plates are non-stick and easy to clean with a damp cloth or non-abrasive sponge. Adjustable temperature. Quickly reach and sustain the desired low, medium, or high heat settings with the variable temperature knob to keep food warm or boil hot water. Built-in safety. Dual power indicator lights on the front of the burner remind users when the item is powered on. Non-skid feet ensure the burner remains stable during use. Compact and portable. The compact size of the burner makes it an easily accessible item to take on the go wherever an extra cooking device is needed, at school, office, camping trips, or home. Efficient power. With a combined wattage of 1500 W, dual hot plates, and individual temperature controls, delicious meals can be cooked simultaneously. Elite Gourmet Egg Cooker. 7-egg capacity. Cook up to 7 eggs in soft, medium, or hard-boiled firmness, while saving time and water. Eggs come out consistently perfect, shell is easy to peel, and cleanup is simple. Ease of use. Fill pre-marked measuring cup with water to desired doneness, add to the cooking plate, Press the power switch, and within minutes your eggs will be excellent. Fun and simple to use for the entire family. The auto shut-off function gets it right every time, and it's faster than conventional stovetop methods. Versatility. Whether pairing with avocado toast or preparing deviled eggs, the Elite Gourmet Easy Egg Cooker is an all-in-one egg boiler, veggie or food steamer, and more. Compact space-saving design. Perfect as a back-to-school gift for dorms, apartments, RVs, or the office. Compact and lightweight. It easily fits into drawers for storage, or just leave out on the counter as a fun and colorful accent to any home kitchen. Hamilton Beach Electric Hand Mixer. No more lost beaters. The snap-on storage case that comes with the Hamilton Beach hand mixer neatly holds the 2 beaters and whisk in one easy-to-find place, reducing the chance that the attachments are lost or misplaced. Easily handles a variety of recipes. With 6 different speed options plus a quick burst button for an extra burst of power when you need it, this electric hand mixer prepares every recipe with ease. Everything you need to start mixing. This hand mixer comes with 2 traditional beaters and a whisk that are dishwasher safe. After mixing, simply press the speed dial to eject the attachments from the mixer without getting your hands messy. Powerful mixing performance. The 250-watt peak power motor provides all the power you need for every mixing job, whether you're adding chocolate chips and nuts to cookie dough or making fluffy whipped cream. Jar revolving countertop spice rack. Set includes 1 rotating spice rack and 20 pre-filled glass spice jars with removable sifter and labeled black caps. 20 essential spices. Includes basil, bay leaves, celery salt, chives, cilantro, coriander, crushed mint, dill weed, fennel seed, herbs de Provence, Italian seasoning, marjoram, oregano, parsley, pizza seasoning, rosemary, savory seasoning, sea salt, sea salt. Stylish storage. The rotating, polished stainless steel rack keeps spices neat and easily accessible on countertops or in cabinets. Free spice refills for 5 years. Eligible for 5 years of free spice refills of your choice. KitchenAid Artisan Series Stand Mixer. Fabric type, zinc, stainless steel. Choose from all the color options to find the one that best matches your style and personality. The Power Hub turns your stand mixer into a culinary center with more than 15 optional attachments available. 5QT. Stainless steel bowl with comfortable handle offers enough capacity to mix dough for 9 dozen cookies or 4 loaves of bread in a single batch. 59-point planetary mixing action means 59 touch points per rotation around the bowl for thorough ingredient incorporation. Choose from all the color options to find the one that best matches your style and personality. The Power Hub turns your stand mixer into a culinary center with more than 15 optional attachments available. 5QT. Stainless steel bowl with comfortable handle offers enough capacity to mix dough for 9 dozen cookies or 4 loaves of bread in a single batch. Ninja Crispy 4-in-1 Air Fryer. All-in-one system. Includes the Ninja Crispy Power Pod for QT and 6-cup clean crisp glass containers and 2 storage lids. Crispy Power Pod. The power of a full-sized air fryer now in the palm of your hand. Small large batch containers. 6-cup container cooks a personal-sized meal in 7 minutes while the 4QT fits a 4 lb chicken and veggies. Non-toxic containers. Clean crisp glassware is designed for non-toxic cooking and storing. 4-in-1 functionality. Max Crisp Bake Air Fry Recrisp. Fixed heat protection. Permanently fixed heat-safe feet so you can safely set it on granite, laminate, quartz, butcher block, and marble. Leak-proof lids. Snap-lock lids ensure your meal won't spill on the go. Easy storage. Ninja's Crispy Power Pod and Clean Crisp glassware nests together for mess-free storage in your cabinets. Crispy Container Adapter. Includes an adapter so the Crispy Power Pod can be used on the larger container.